So let me read the news which made me interested in this topic. And the news was Delhi set to host AI Impact Summit. Now, you may find what is so special, but there is a key in this topic. There is a key in this statement, Impact Summit. Fine. So, how AI summits have evolved from safety to action. But what India is talking about, impact. We are focusing on the real impact of AI. So it seems very simple, but the philosophy of the summit is in this word, AI Impact Summit. And according to the news, the summit is scheduled for February 15th to February 20. I have prepared a detailed notes for your background, and I'll be discussing the key points which you should know before the summit. So, India's AI Impact Summit 2026 will focus on democratizing AI, use of AI in inclusive growth, and promoting global cooperation. Though in the present time, when multilateralism is taking its last breath, some may find this initiative too utopian. But still, we have to understand that for the countries of Global South, multilateralism is a necessity, and India, as a leader of Global South, is committed to take the process forward. And remember the 3 P's, which are the chief anchors of India's approach towards the impact. The 3 P's are, we are talking about people, we are talking about planet, and third, we are talking about progress. So it encapsulates the entire idea that in future norms regarding AI, India wants the interest of Global South, the use of AI to address the challenges of poverty, health, and at the same time, there should be multilateralism and global cooperation. So after the impact, remember the 3 P's. And you already know that this regulatory framework is in a very nascent stage. So where the first summit took place, and what was the outcome, and what was the attitude of India towards these summits. So initially, India was not a very enthusiastic participant because India had a lot of concerns. So we did participate, but we were evaluating the situations. Maybe these new norms may impact our strategic autonomy. But today, there is a big change that has happened, that from a reluctant player, today, India prefers a role where India wants to play a very active role in the norm building. And definitely, India is in a position to raise the voice of Global South. So the first summit took place in 2023 at Bletchley Park in London. And the theme of that summit was AI Safety Summit. So from AI safety, today we are talking about impact. So the declaration was the first global pact on tackling the risks of the frontier AI. And the idea was to develop political consensus and to take international community to move in the direction of cooperation. So you must be knowing the frontier AI, that is most advanced cutting edge AI systems, and the AI related risks are in context of cybersecurity, biotechnology, and disinformation. So what was India's approach? As I said, India was a reluctant player. Now, the second AI summit took place in Seoul, 2024. And the focus here was how to balance the creativity and regulation and how to go ahead with inclusion. In this summit, international community got certain commitments from the major companies dealing with AI like Google, Meta, OpenAI, who suggested that they will take certain voluntary steps to keep their AI systems safe. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres stressed that it is very important to have the guardrails, and he warned against the dangers of unregulated AI. The point to be noted here is that India did not formally sign the Seoul AI Action Summit declaration because it didn't align with India's developmental needs and geopolitical needs. However, the third summit was important, which took place in France in February 2025. And if the first summit was the Security or Safety Summit, the summit in France, the focus was on action. India made active participation here in AI Action Summit in Paris, where the declarations included a human-centric approach and strengthening multilateralism. And India also advocated for open source and sustainable AI. For your prelims, you should also know about the summit organized by UN Conference on Trade and Development at Kigali in context of the future of Africa and AI. And India's summit takes into account the priorities which have been set up in the Kigali summit. So Kigali summit, the president of Rwanda made it clear that Africa not to be seen just as a market for AI, but an active player. And he emphasized on the need for the inclusive and sustainable approach towards. So in a way, this also opens a scope for India's cooperation in Africa's AI future, and it can be another pillar in India-Africa relations. So now, what is there in the summit which is going to held in New Delhi? The summit will mark a further step away from safety of AI, from safety to action, but now towards the impact. What is to be seen? India's leadership at display, and we have to see that can India play the role in redefining global AI tools by democratizing the access to data. So what is the theme of the summit? The theme of the summit is very important, and that is democratizing AI, bridging the gap. Okay? And what are the three guiding sutras? As I told earlier, planet, people, and progress. And there will be 7 thematic chakras. What is chakra here? The chakra are the 7 working groups identified by Government of India. And I think some of you also can participate if you have interest. So these 7 thematic working groups, the areas are human capital, social empowerment, safe and trusted AI, resilient and sustainable innovation, scientific collaboration, democratizing AI resources, AI for growth, and social good. And if you participate in these type of initiatives that add to your DAF, you can show your interest in the contemporary developments. The highlights of AI Summit will be that we have got confirmations from large number of CEOs and political leaders like Bill Gates, Mark Binoff, Cristiano Amon, Shantanu Narayan, and India's Prime Minister will be inaugurating the summit. And what is to be watched, that India has invited China to participate in the summit, and we already know that China is an advanced player in the 4th industrial revolution, but as of now, China has not confirmed its attendance. India will be emphasizing on some of its flagship initiatives, UDAN. So what is UDAN? UDAN is a global AI pitch fest where India will showcase startups from India and abroad, Yuva AI Innovation Challenge, AI by Her, where we are trying to encourage youth and women-led participation. And what do we expect? We expect that AI's Impact Summit in India be a game changer where this technology can be used for the better destiny of humanity. What we expect: inclusive growth, responsible AI, and global cooperation, bridging the divide and ensuring AI benefits for all.